Hello teacher, I'm Hydra friend. Today I will write teachings about connector. Gamma is the connector it was used to translate conjunctions, used to connect words to form complex sentences, and was used to connect sentences into complex sentences. And type, combined type is used to ring together a lot of similar messages. And both same as not only but also and two still two. All types it connections words use syntactic tag to choose from are either no, absolutely neither, everything else. For example, take these books or that one. My answers are type, yours is correct. Both your car and you are not shift. Bad type is the word using to connect with the opposite meanings of the word, such as the following: but, still, however, why. For example, I buy a newspaper but did not read. It is a good house, but there is no parking. The old car, however, is good condition. So type is a conjunctive word of the same type. So, eager, therefore. So, therefore equal for. For example, the front door is open, so I go inside. He is doing well, so he deserves plate. I thank you for watching. I hope the present video will be useful to those who watch it.